In order to effectively set up drone-based surveillance for Vijayawada's Labbipeta area, focusing on crime-prone locations and integrating modus operandi tracking with the digital footprint of criminals, you can implement the following components. 1. Geo-tagging and area mapping. Identify crime hotspots. Using past crime data, map the key locations where criminal activity is frequently reported. This can include specific streets, intersections, or abandoned areas prone to illegal activities. Drone patrolling zones. Define surveillance zones based on the geographical spread of these hotspots, ensuring overlapping coverage for high-risk areas. Night surveillance setup. Equip drones with infrared cameras for night vision, allowing monitoring in low-light conditions. 2. Modus operandi, MO. Identification. Patterns of criminal behavior. Using past police records, identify common patterns such as the time of crimes, e.g., late-night robberies, types of crimes, e.g., drug deals, thefts, and frequently used escape routes. Behavioral analytics. Integrate AI systems to analyze drone-captured footage for suspicious behavior that matches known MO patterns. This could be behavior such as loitering, repeated visits to isolated areas, or group formations in the dark. 3. Digital footprints, linking digital activities. Correlate mobile phone GPS data and social media activity around known hotspots with individuals previously connected to criminal activities. Real-time data mining can help identify digital traces, e.g., social media posts, phone signals, that indicate an individual's presence in the area during the time of a crime. Surveillance via digital networks. Use nearby Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network connections to track digital footprints. For example, identify patterns of phone signals from criminals using known IMEI numbers or suspicious devices frequently appearing in the area. 4. Drone deployment strategy. Real-time tracking. Deploy drones with capabilities to track moving vehicles or individuals based on preset parameters. Drones can provide overhead surveillance, allowing officers to respond quickly to suspicious activity. Automated alerts. Integrate drones with facial recognition and pattern matching technology to identify known criminals or individuals with suspicious behavior from a database. Surveillance loops. Set up drones to patrol designated paths in loops, ensuring full coverage of high-crime areas. These loops can be dynamically adjusted depending on real-time threat detection. 5. Data integration and crime prevention. Centralized control system. Integrate drone feeds with a command and control center that monitors in real time. This system can also pull in CCTV footage and police databases for better situational awareness. Predictive policing. Utilize AI models to predict potential future crimes by analyzing past data, modus operandi patterns, and real-time drone footage. This combined approach can help create a comprehensive surveillance system that not only monitors and reacts to ongoing criminal activities, but also proactively predicts and prevents future crimes based on data analysis. Would you like further details on how to implement these strategies, or on specific technologies that can support these measures?